Good morning guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to another vlog. So today's goal is just to have a really productive day. We're gonna get in a fire workout. I also need to go grocery shopping, and then I really want to try out a new fall recipe. I know, shocker, I'm always trying out new recipes, but this one looks really good and simple, so I think you guys will really like it too. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps support my channel, so I would really appreciate it. Also, we cannot forget today's quote of the day, and that is, time is non-refundable, use it with intention. To get my workout done and out of the way right now. Also, there are some hanging ropes behind me, and that's because we have some people that are going to be cleaning our windows today, I think, so they might even drop down like in the middle of my workout, but hopefully not, because that would be kind of awkward. So I'll try to get them on camera low-key if I see them. Also guys, I honestly haven't been super motivated to work out recently. I've just been really good about practicing self-discipline, because the reality is that you're not always going to be super motivated to work out. So sometimes you just gotta remember how important of a goal it is to you and how good it will make you feel afterwards, and just push yourself to do it anyway. Even if it's just a short workout, like I'm just doing a 10-minute ab workout today, so nothing too crazy, but I just want to get my body moving. It's really all about the consistency to see results, and I promise you only regret the workouts that you didn't do. But by all means, if you feel like you need a rest day, then 100% do that. I just think it's about noticing whether you're making an excuse to work out or not. Overall, just always try to remember that you are much stronger than your excuses. My girl Chloe Tang coming through as always with the fire ab workouts. You think a 10-minute ab workout sounds pretty easy, but really it's 10 minutes of torture. I'm just kidding, but it really is hard, so wish me luck. Okay, so I'm just planning out my grocery list right now. I need to get some stuff that we're out of, and then I also want to get the ingredients I need for the recipe later. I'm going to be making a one-pan recipe, which is literally exactly what it sounds like. You just throw everything on a pan and you bake it. It's super easy. And as always, I'm using this app called the MVP List. It's a list making app. I just love making lists for like everything that I need, because it just really helps me stay organized, and that way I don't forget anything. And it's even better when it's on your phone, because you always have your phone with you generally, so I never like forget it at home or anything. Also, I'm having one of those days where I don't like any of my clothes on me, so that's super fun, but I managed to throw this together and I don't totally hate it. It's actually a little bit cute, so I'm feeling a bit better. There was a lot of trial and error going on, just it was not working out for me. Also guys, I tried my best to sneakily get you a clip of the window cleaners. I think I got like a little bit. Imagine how scary it must be to be like dangling from this building, and my building's pretty tall. It's like 36 floors. Like, bro, that's pretty scary. Alright, I am back. I'm gonna give you guys a haul of everything that I got. My battery is running low on my camera, so I might talk faster than normal. So starting over here, we have a bunch of veggies. We got carrots, potatoes, onion, red bell pepper, tomatoes, red onion, sweet potatoes, zucchini, and I think that's it. Just tons of veggies. I've been trying to up our veggie and fruit intake. Got some cooking spray, buy 2 cans of chickpeas, some more of my favorite fall soup. I also got these diced and fire roasted tomatoes just to like throw in some dishes. We got tons of avocados, a lemon, a lime, some Honeycrisp apples, bananas, blueberries. I also got basil and eggs because I've been making those egg sandwiches a lot. Got 2 seasonings, the chili lime seasoning blend. I love this one. I'm probably gonna use it in my lunch today. And then I saw this one, it looks so good, so I had to try it out. It's a cheesy seasoning blend and it says to add it to popcorn, vegetables, or pasta. So I'm really excited to try that out. Some frozen stuff I got is some shrimp, some sweet potato fries. I also got this giant bar of dark chocolate. I've actually been trying to cut back on like just the other desserts I usually buy, so I thought this would be a healthier option, just a bar of dark chocolate, more garlic hummus, and then I also got some plain yogurt. I love using yogurt as like a substitute for mayo, and I also just want to make more yogurt bowls as like either a breakfast or a dessert. I just feel like it's a really healthy option. This, not the healthiest option. It was just a hungry grab because I'm very hungry right now and these looked really good, so just got those. We got some more English muffins, some sourdough bread, bagels of course, and then some Parmesan cheese just for a variety of dishes obviously. Also got some more of these multi-seed crackers. I love having them with hummus, and these are always sold out. Like so many people love these and it's not cool because they're always sold out when I go. I got some more fusilli pasta, and then lastly we have some meat over here. So I'm actually gonna use this sausage for tonight's dinner. It's a smoked andouille chicken sausage. I was gonna go with my usual chicken apple sausage one, but I was comparing the two like nutrition labels, and this one's actually a bit healthier, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try this one out this time. All right, I believe that is everything. I need to put all of this away because it has been sitting out a bit too long, just because I had to charge my camera battery first. After I put all this away, I'm gonna make some lunch really quick. I'm gonna make this burger salad that I love. It's so good and it's really quick and easy to make. I'm actually like super hungry right now. It's like 4 o'clock and all I had was a protein bar when I got back from the grocery store, besides my breakfast of course. So yeah, it's been quite a while. I'm very hungry. While I make lunch, I'm watching this podcast with Hilary Duff. She's honestly like a ray of sunshine, I swear.
Oh, that's like truly funny to me. That is like my kind of humor 101.
Alright, it is quite a bit later now. It's like 9 o'clock. I ended up cleaning the entire apartment just because it felt a bit messy in here. And for some reason I was feeling a bit anxious earlier. I don't really know what brought it on. It might have been the second coffee I had. I'm not sure. But I just thought cleaning would make me feel better and take my mind off it. So yeah, that definitely helped a lot. But now we're gonna make some dinner. I'll show you guys the ingredients. So we have some thyme, salt, and pepper. Also guys, I've been using this Celtic sea salt recently for cooking. I heard from a YouTuber that I watch, her name is Sam Oscarl. She like highly recommends this because it has tons of minerals in it and it's just made a lot cleaner. So I've been really liking using it. And then we also have some Dijon mustard, a yellow onion, some carrots, some sausage, potatoes, maple syrup, and then lastly, just some extra virgin olive oil. I almost forgot I also need 1 Honeycrisp apple.
Made it clear what I feel for you, when you say that we move too fast. Switching up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away, now you treat me like a friend. All the wicked games you play, baby, I just can't pretend. Can we go back to that perfect day? We drew the blinds and we felt no shame. Now we're not sure if we feel the same.
I probably should have looked at the recipe sooner because it takes 45 minutes in the oven. Okay, yeah, it's like 9:45 right now, so not like the most ideal time to be having dinner. Guess I will be staying up later than I planned, and yeah, hopefully this is all worth it. Hopefully it's a good recipe. Okay, this actually looks so fire. I cannot wait to try it. I will let you guys know what I think. Guys, I'm not even exaggerating. That was one of my favorite fall recipes that I've made so far. I was like scraping the pan trying to get like every last bit of it. It was freaking delicious, just like so flavorful. So I will definitely be making that again, and it was super easy to make. It's just a little time consuming with cutting up everything. Nala's in her crazy hour right now. She just really wants to play. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end the video off here because it is really late and I'm super tired, so I need to get ready for bed and everything. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've been really enjoying vlogging lately, and I just really appreciate all of your guys' support. It means so much to me. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in my next video. I gotta go play with Nala now, so she's literally crazy. So okay, bye.